Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all for tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so 1 second here. Let's tell the team members that we're on live now. 6, 7, 7, 4. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, we're going to go over SPY. We're going to go over pretty much everything today. Do have some new playlist up, so yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out. All right, so as of now, what I'm looking forward to, SPY, the Qs, did end up having a couple swings as well. So yeah, we'll have to see how everything plays out this morning. Should be pretty chill. Okay, so 1 second here. Let's sell the team that we're on live now. That would be great. 1 second here. So yeah, it's loading up. So anyways, we'll keep on going here. Honestly, I do want to change this music. So it's all right. Hold on. All right, that's better. All right, cool. That'll be good. Yo, Tina, what's up? Good morning, guys and gals. Good to see you guys. All right, so for the Qs, of course, I'm going to look for a small time frame trade. So I do want to get off of this 24-hour and go down to a possible 1-hour time frame and break this down. Actually, I already have exactly what I'm waiting for, what I'm wanting. What I can see here, and yes, same exact thing. Clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the downside. So what I'm looking at, and hold on, let's go ahead and I want to put this filter on. Hold on 1 second here. 1 second. 1 second here, guys. Hopefully that's okay. Hopefully that's good. All right, so yeah, as of right now, 1 second here. My MacBook won't even load. There we go. All right, so we have the Qs. Do want to sell the team members one live. Just waiting on my MacBook to load up, and then we'll get started with today. Everything should be good. Go ahead and restore this. Yo, who? What's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Are you in Miami right now? Or are you going to Miami? And yes, what I'm looking at here. My bad, guys. Yes, I'm still waiting on my MacBook to load. And then, yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. So, yeah, no worries about that. 1 second. This is, like, taking forever. Yo, Blanca, what's up? Tesla, yeah, I can do that for you. Yeah, no worries at all. All right, so right now, let's take a look. Please, I just want to send the message. TikTok live now at everyone. All right, now the team members know that we're on live, I think. There we go. All right, we're good now. We're good. Not yet. I'm at the gate. Flight's in 2 hours. Oh, dang, yeah. You're going to be bored, man. But yeah, safe flights, man. Safe travels. Hope you have a good one, man. All right, so as you can see here, yes, we do have this clear move up, no consolidation. And of course, I would love to take this to the downside if we can get it. I don't see any resistance till down here, and it doesn't look bad. You can see we're in this Potter box right now, so yes, we are still in consolidation, and I don't want to do anything here yet. You can see from the entry to the exit, so yes, from where I want to enter to where I want to exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, it looks good, looks decent, but yeah, we are inside this box. Hopefully we can stay inside. That would be great for us, or at least for me. Yo, Red Eagle, good morning. Catherine, good morning, good to see you. We've got a layover in Nashville before. Oh, wow, okay, yeah, fire, man. GSIW ready to run. Okay, Jeff, yeah, we'll take a look at that. All right, so yeah, we do have the Qs, and yes, all of our trades are going to be exactly the same. We don't change anything at all. So yeah, this trade looks really, really good. Boom, so that is on the Qs. Also, let's look at Tesla. I do want to see where Google's at right now. So Google is almost at that final TP as well. And hopefully we can somehow, some way finish this move. So yeah, this was a move that I've been pretty much holding for past couple of days. I do want to see if we can somehow, some way get above and touch that final TP. So I do have that, what, 199, 97. That looks good. But yeah, we'll just have to see how everything plays out as well. But yeah, you can pretty much see we had it at around this 188 area. We played around pretty much, and then finally we went up to this upside as well. How long did it take you to become profitable trading? So yeah, it took me a while, I will be honest. So yeah, it was a lot of staring at the screens, trials and error. And that's pretty much it. But yeah, I stuck to it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, yes, do I still take some L's here and there? Of course. But as long as your winners can outweigh your losses, you'll be fine too as well. And we're trading on a higher time frame, so we aren't, trading on a low time frame. Obviously, 1 hour is a low time frame, but this is more of a day trade. That was just yesterday. But yes, we like to swing trade here. Most of our plays will be swings, but you can see what we had MU before, the after. We had a couple other trades, so I'm just like scrolling up, random trades. BAC, you can see the before here. Actually, BAC did end up hitting that final TP. What? Hold on. Just right after close. So we did end up gapping to that final TP there. So you can see that 48.76. You can see 48.76. So yeah, either the plays work or they don't. And yeah, you can see how we pretty much call out plays, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, BAC did its thing too as well. We hit perfectly, right after market closed. Yeah, we'll see how everything else plays out. Google looks really good though, so. And I will be honest. Yeah, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. So I do want to see how this opens up. I do want to see how, it reacts. For earnings, we did end up dropping crazily. So yeah, I would need a great push on this, up to nearly that 200 area. So yeah, it looks good, looks decent, doesn't look too bad. So yeah, we did end up dropping, and then we came back as well. I do like that 200 area though. If we can possibly touch it, we end up getting above this 204.02, we could end up continuing. But yeah, I get it. A lot of, hold on 1 second here. If it'll load, that'd be great. All right, yeah, I loaded. Okay, so hold on, give me a second here. As you can see, hold on, let me pull this up. Let's see here. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second here. 1 second here. 1 second here. So yeah, you can pretty much see when I had this called out. So this is what, on Monday. You can see pretty much what I was looking at here, the 188 area. So yeah, that's pretty much more of a lotto play for me. You can see we ended up breaking up above the wall. I will be honest, yeah, we played around. We went up, we went down. Finally, we're close to that final TP. I do want to see if we can get that push. I do want to see if we can get over it, actually. So if we can, that'd be great. I know, a lot of people were, looking at me pretty crazy on this one, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, you can see that before. You can see how we pretty much called that play out. End of day. So yeah, I knew what I wanted there. But yeah, and either it worked or it doesn't. Obviously, it could have ended up dropping and flooding down below, but we do have this empty space to this upside too as well. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything at all. Glock, thanks for sharing live stream as well. All right, yeah, let me go ahead and write all this down. So Apple opens at 9. So yeah, 9:30. So yes, the whole market opens in about an hour. Yes. GSIW AMD. Okay, Catherine, what's up? So AMD also. Is there a paid section in your in the Discord. So yes, if you want to join the Discord, we have a free chat. We also have the VIP chat as well. So yeah, you can join the free chat. Also, you can join the VIP. This is more the VIP section where we post plays at. And yeah, either the plays work or they don't. You can see what we did just yesterday. I was helping the members out with PLTR. So you could see, even yesterday, PLTR coming close for a day trade. You can see that before here. And then pretty much was guiding the members. And yeah, either the play worked or it doesn't. You can see PLTR this whole time from that simple before to PLTR after. So you can see, yeah, either the trades work or they don't. So yes, this will all be in my Discord. And yeah, I post all my setups, and once we get those, we wait. So once we get the, actual setups, that's when we'll take the trade. Sin Tacos, not enough. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good to see you, Sin Tacos. No worries, man. So yeah, Google actually looks really good. Do want to see if that 200 can be hit as well. All right, so Meta. All right, yeah, Tina, no worries. So yes, we do have the paid and the free. Honestly, you can just join the free version, see how you like it. Everyone there is pretty cool. All right, so Meta, you wanted to look at RIVN and also PLTR. We'll take a look there. And Tesla. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries. Good to see you, Sin Tacos. Great to see you. All right, so honestly, I will be honest. I did stay away from Tesla. As you can see here, we did end up dropping down below. We dropped down into my 2 TPs. What I can see here next, so let's just go ahead and get rid of this. And what I can see here that actually doesn't look terrible. Let's take a look here. All right, so yes, we do have a nice, beautiful top wall there, decent bottom wall here, and right under us, you can easily see, and that's if we can, somehow continue to drop. You can easily see, yes, what do we have? Clear move up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to the downside. I get it. Yes, we ended up dropping crazy. We could end up, going back to this upside. But yeah, if we end up breaking below this bottom wall here, we do have that empty space down to this red candle there. So it looks good. And yes, this is also another box. So we're basically trading from one box to the next box as well, which doesn't look bad. So from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And yes, guys, don't worry about the hate comments. It's all good. So yeah, don't even worry about it. Thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Creative Draft. All right, so yeah, that was on Tesla. I actually do like that. Maybe I'll keep an alert on that. And that's if we can drop. But yeah, if we can, that'll be really decent. Also, the Qs. Hopefully the Qs don't end up dropping below. We'll have to see how that will play out. Google, okay. AOK was the only one that didn't really want to work out there. Yeah, all good, man. So yeah, no worries. I'm not really too worried about it. Hold on one second. I gotta pull up another chart here. All right, so move. Okay. Hold on one second here. RIVN. All right, cool, perfect. Shout out to Vic. Good to see you, man. So yeah, I'm still okay. So on this 24-hour time frame, I'm still looking at this. So yes, we do have this clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to this upside. We're still underneath this wall here. So yeah, let's just break this down on a lower time frame and see what we can do. So yes, let's take a look here. All right, cool. Yo, Julius, what's up? Yeah, I got you. I can definitely take a look at that. What's your news page again? So, are you talking about my tube? Yeah, so I do post news on there. a lot. My Put Bros Media guy, he always makes content for that too as well. But if you're talking about my Discord, then I do have a page for news updates of earnings plays and what's coming up for this week, next week, you know, whatever the case may be. Yo, my guy, good to see you, Mike. Good to see you, Tony. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going here. Let's see here. So we do have, let's take a look here. Top wall, bottom wall here, or actually there is a bottom wall there. So yes, right under us, you can easily see we have empty space. So clear move up, no consolidation. Once we can somehow, some way break outside of this area of consolidation, we do have empty space down to this red counter here. 1 second here. No, the actual news like speakers, earnings, and who speak. Okay, so yeah, I use what? Forex Factory for so yeah, you can see Forex Factory. It basically tells me who's speaking today, tomorrow, you know, all that news here. And yeah, for earnings, I do use Earnings Hub. So yeah, those are, you know, just some free things that you can pretty much use. Yeah, no worries, man. My bad. I wasn't understanding what you were saying though at first, but all good, all good. Dang, Q's looks like we might end up dropping before that that bell. All right, so now let's keep going here. RIVN, we do have that empty space under us. Personally, entry to exit the middle of the move. We do have that imbalance. So yeah, this is where price could potentially reverse. So yes, once we do touch that first TP, or if we do touch it, of course, then yes, that's where I would take most of my TP there. So yeah, it looks really good there. Also, now let's keep going here. So BAC, we'll take a look there. Actually, that looks really good. Wow, the Qs, man. Hopefully it doesn't do it. All right, so PLTR. All right, cool, cool, cool. One second, guys. Pouring up some water here. Yo, Danny, what's up, man? Good to see you. Yeah, we can go over Google, Coin. All right, so yeah, let me write all this down. So Coin 2 and also, so wait, Coinbase, AVGO, SPY. I think AVGO went wild yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so PLTR, and yeah, this was a trade that we ended up catching yesterday. Also, we'll pull up Lyft too. We'll pull up all these trades, so no worries. Oh, the Qs are, you're breaking my heart right now. I'm not gonna lie, the Qs is breaking my heart right now, and you know, there's nothing I can do about it. No worries, all good. There'll be more opportunities if, you know, this play ends up happening, but looks like actually looks really good. So yeah, dang, yeah, honestly, if this play ends up happening, I personally won't chase into it. Obviously, I wish I could. But yeah, you can see we did have the empty space. Maybe if we can get some type of rejection before we touch that first TP, maybe I'll try it. But right now, the way it's looking, I'll definitely just skip out on that as well. All right, so as of right now, what, PLTR? So yeah, this was a trade that we ended up catching just yesterday. You can see it was a beautiful setup. So you can see what PLTR before, the after. You can see how we called it out. You can see PLTR, you the best. You can see what some of the members ended up doing there. So that final TP did end up hitting there. So you can see, and it went even more above. Yo, Stephanie, what's up? What's up? AMD, okay, cool. Yo, Brianna, what's up? No one says please when going over something. All good. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into the live stream. Really appreciate it. So yeah, I do enjoy, you know, being on these charts, helping others too as well. So yeah, all good. No worries at all. All right, so PLTR. I do like this 30-minute, and what I see here. Let's take a look here. We do have this. Beautiful top wall there, decent bottom wall here, and right under us, you can easily see, yes, clear move up, no consolidation. So yes, this is the empty space that I like. If we can somehow break and close under this level here, there is empty space all the way down into this green candle here. So it looks good, looks decent. Obviously, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, so yes, the direct middle is my imbalance. So I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait for all these trades, see if we can end up getting that as well. 1 second here, guys. All right, cool. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. So NVDA, IBM, cool. So yeah, that's on what? PLTR. So yeah, right now, I'm just going to wait. You can see, yes, we ended up cashing this to the upside. We had this little move here. You could pretty much see what the team members and I did there. And yeah, yesterday, we were in a lot of chop. We were in chop the whole entire day. But yeah, this is why we wait. We got this trade. Once we got it, we finally got in. I called it in the morning. You can see we didn't get this until the afternoon. So yeah, this is why I tell my members, we wait. We're going to wait for these trades. And yes, once we have them, we'll get them. But yeah, we're just going to have to stay patient as well. What crypto do you recommend to trade on a smaller? So personally, I don't really trade crypto like that. Maybe I have a few holdings, but like nothing that, you know, I pretty much trade. I mainly do options. I do futures too as well. But yes, options is where I pretty much do everything. And yes, I focus on swing trades. But yeah, you can see I do love my day trades as well if we can get some entries, some positions. It's that PLTR destroying society. Yeah, that's pretty wild. You can see the Qs. Yeah, I'm gonna have to miss out on this one. But yeah, GG, it's all good. So yeah, if there's a play that's already happening, and you guys can see this, I had this pretty much alerted and set right when market opened, and yes, we ended up dropping below. This is something that I'll chase it to. Absolutely not, unless we can get some sort of nice retest. But we did end up going close to that first TP, so I'll be mostly skipping out of this as well. And yes, not telling you guys to get into any of these trades, so yes, you all have to do your own research before doing anything, and that's pretty much it as well. All right, so you guys want to see Google again, and then we got to go over Coin. Hold on. So what? Coin, we got to go over Lyft, a couple of these trades. So the Qs, we did that. SPY, AVGO, and NVDA. Okay. So what do you have for new day traders getting into trading options? So personally, you know, if I was starting out and I wanted to trade options, I definitely would learn how to use the brokers. So pick a broker that I like. Could be like anything, Webull, anything like that. Figure out how to place orders, paper trade a little bit, and then yes, I would figure out a strategy. What strategy I want to use. Obviously, yes, you could use literally anything. It could be supply and demand. It could be whatever it is. Whatever works for you is going to work for you. Obviously, I use the Potter Box, and that's pretty much it. And then yeah, find a team, find someone that also knows what they're doing. I'm not saying my team, could be literally anybody else. Could be Potter, could be LeBron. You know, it doesn't really matter. So just figure that out, and that's pretty much it. All right, so, and yes, just please do your own research before doing anything, of course. So yes, you all have to do your own research. All right, so you can see, yes, we did have the empty space here. We ended up breaking above our top wall, our top level, and we touched that imbalance. Obviously, I do want to see if that 199.97 can be hit. So it may take some time. Yeah, I do want to see how the open, what happens at open. So actually doesn't look too bad. Danny, yeah, no worries, man. All good. So yes, if you have any other questions, you can drop down the tickers. We'll go over pretty much all of these. And if I haven't went over those yet, I promise I'm trying my best. So yeah, we'll go over all these trades as well. So I am looking for some day trades. Looked like Google did its thing. Obviously yesterday, you can see we dropped. So yeah, we ended up dropping. I would need a clean push above But yeah, looks like we finally did that as well. Thanks for the follow, Danny. Really appreciate it, man. All right, so what? That was on Google. You can see what we had. So this was a trade from a couple of days ago. So we were at that, what, 188 area. You can see this was Monday, July 21st. See where we were, where we're at now. Obviously, yes, gave us some trouble, some turbulence, but it's all good. That ended up happening there. All right, so NVDA, let's take a look here. It looks like, I will be completely honest here, you know, we did end up tapping into this empty space to the upside. So that play already happened, so there's nothing I can do there. What I can see here, let's go down to a lower time frame. So honestly, I do want to go to a, yeah, I do like this 30 minute. This 30 minute looks good. Also, a 45 minute looks decent too, actually. So yeah, even the 30 minute will be decent too as well. Yo, Owen, what's up? What's up? So yeah, we'll go over AMD. Yeah, so that will be next actually. So no worries at all. So how to become a member? So yes, if you want to join the Discord, you can join in. You can links in the bio. You can join the free chat, also the VIP chat as well. You can see all the setups, and yeah, we post all of our setups. Either the plays, either my take profits get hit or my stop loss gets hit. You can see what we did yesterday. Only got stopped out on one play, so only had what 2 plays or 2 new plays. But yeah, links in the bio for everything. You can scroll up. You can see all the charts, all the members, what we do here. I could scroll up to like a random position that we had, what, UAL. And yes, we mainly swing trade. So end of day is when we mainly get into our trades. But I will be honest, I do like our day trades too. So you can see what we did on that MU. I could literally just scroll up for a couple months and just show some random trades. And yeah, you can see what the members and I pretty much do here. And yeah, obviously, yes, the last couple of days, at least for the day trades, we've been chopping. But yeah, you can see what we pretty much do. You can look at the gains page. You can even talk to the members to see what we do here. All right, so NVDA, let's take a look here. Let's see here. 1 second here. All right, cool. Yeah, no worries at all. Yo, Doris, thanks for the follow. All right, so as you can see, yes, there is empty space here. I do like that 45 minute too. You could easily see, yes, we do have a beautiful top wall there, decent bottom wall here. Under us, we do have that empty space. So it looks good, it looks decent. Honestly, that 45 minute looks really good too, though. So we do have empty space down to here. First CP would still be, what is this? That 170 area. So it actually looks decent. Do want to see if we somehow can get under here and break under. It looks really, really good. But yeah, so yeah, this is the Potter box. This is the area of consolidation. So this box basically helps me with entries, helps me with exits. It helps me to know, okay, should I stay into the play? Should I get out of the play? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So actually looks really good. All right, so we'll take a look here. AMD on the 4 hour. Yo, MJ, good morning. Good to see you, my guy. BBAI. All right, so yeah, Google actually looking pretty good. So I know everyone was looking at me very crazy on this one. I get it. Yes, we would have to stay up, and yes, I would need a decent push too as well. But yeah, I was getting a little bit of people were looking at me crazy. I was like, I wanted this upside here. You can see I wanted this upside since Monday, so you can see the before here, also that after. But yeah, I would need a decent push. I would want to see if we can get to that final TP though. So yeah, we'll see though. But yeah, Google, as long as we can stay up. So as long as we can stay up, that'll be decent. And continue to push. All right, so AMD, let's go ahead and get rid of this. I have a lot of low time frame trades there. Yeah, you guys might be onto something here. This actually looks really good. Actually, not too bad. So what I can see here. Yo, heck, what's up? So yeah, so this is the Potter box. This is what I'm using for all of my entries, my exits. Shout out Potter Stocks PBS. Make sure to give my guy a follow as well. But yes, this box is basically, so to break it down, to make it very simple, from long story to short story, this box is basically an area of consolidation. So you can see these red and green candles going back and forth between these two levels. So yeah, this is a consolidation area. This is Potter box. And under us, so basically my whole entire goal with this is to break outside of this consolidation zone and target into the next consolidation. So what I just circled here, so this clear move up, this is an area of no consolidation. So just a big green gap up, no red candles at all. Under us, you can see we break under, we have empty space down to that next consolidation, so that red candle here. And basically, if we're in, obviously, yes, I do have early entries. This allows me with early entries as well, but to break it down in the simplest form, and yes, you all have to do your own research, not telling you guys to get into any of these trades, not telling you guys to do anything. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything at all. This is personally how I look at it. So yes, my whole entire goal with this is to break outside of this consolidation area. And once we can do that, I'm targeting into this empty space. So the empty space and the Potter boxes go hand in hand. You can easily see, yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, you can easily see, like just yesterday. So yeah, we had this clear move down, no consolidation. We did have a Potter box, a nice area of consolidation that needed to be broken in order for us to target into this empty space. So as for yesterday, we ended up, and yeah, I had to wait. We waited. You can ask my whole Discord. We waited hours. We waited until basically the end of the day for this trade. Obviously, it's because we were chopping, but we ended up breaking above this wall, allowing us to the empty space, and then that was pretty much it. So yeah, that's all that I do. I don't have to, guess when to get in. I don't have to, be like, oh, is this the right time to get in? No. I just wait. I just chill out. So this right here, am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. I'm just going to relax. I have my alert set. That's exactly what I did with POTR. I had my plays set. We were in shop. I told the team members, I was like, look, guys and gals, the plays are set. We just have to wait for them. And then once we got it, it was great. And yeah, obviously, yes, if the play works, I take the profits, cool. If I have to stop out of a play, that's perfectly fine too. And, there's no shame in that either. You ever use higher time frame for bias of support and you only so yeah, for my longer term plays, I do like to go for the weekly or the 24-hour or sometimes even the monthly chart. So it has to be like a very good play. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But I will be honest though, if I'm going to do a day trade, like if I take a day trade with the team members, it will be on like a 1 hour, possibly 4 hour, 30-minute chart as well. Yo, Vet Vibes, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. So yeah, that's pretty much how I do it. Yes, right now we're in consolidation, so I don't like to stress my members out. I'm not going to just get in a crazy entry. Obviously, maybe I'll get in some lotto entries here and there, but for a valid entry, I'm not doing anything. I'm not touching these charts. I'm not touching an entry until I can see under this, 153. Yes, of course, we could go down to a lower time frame, break it down even more. What is this? Another box. What is under us as well? More empty space. So if I wanted to take this 1 hour too, this is also empty space there. I get it, only a little $2 move down, but still really, really decent. All right, so that was on AMD. Actually, I do like AMD. I like it a lot. All right, so now let's keep going here. Let's take a look here. And no, I'm not into any of these trades, so yes, please do your own research before doing anything, of course. All right, so Neo, Coin. Let's take a look at Coin. Let's get rid of all these drawings or whatever. Let's start on a higher time frame. And then, yes, let's work our way down. Marvel has been in consolidation. I think, yeah, the last time I seen Marvel, we were pretty much in consolidation. So yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. All right, so 1 second here, 1 second. Let's drink some water here. Dude, I didn't even know it was... Alright, so let's take a look. And yes, all the trades in my Discord are going to be exactly the same. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see here. Okay. Actually, I do want to go to a possible 1 hour for this one if we can get something. Alright. So yes, I do work on a higher time frame. So you guys see, I start on that 24-hour weekly chart. And then if I don't see anything there, then I will work my way to the downside. So now, we were on that 24-hour. Didn't see anything that I liked currently. So I just went down to this 4-hour, then 1 hour. But yeah, we do have a nice box there. And right above us, you can easily see, we do have empty space all the way up into this 418 area. So it looks good. It looks great. Do want to see how everything is going to play out. Easily. Entry to exit the middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So yes, right now, what are we going to do? Or what am I going to do at least? And yes, I get it. I 100% get it. That is a little bit of empty space here. But that's more of a touched move that I really don't want to get into. This right here hasn't been touched yet. You can see, yes, we do have the Potter box. We have a nice, beautiful top wall that needs to be broken. We break above there. Could potentially go up to the empty space. And yes, I know you guys are asking me what is my stop loss like. And of course, yes, I have to use my stop loss here and there. So yeah, let's just say if we get above this top level here, and let's just say we find an entry. We're above, we're finding an entry. We're going up, and it's going good. And then somehow, some way, it just wants to go back down into the box. So yeah, if we go back into this box, and if we don't retest, then yes, I will be getting out for that re-entry. And that's perfectly fine too, because if I had to get stopped out on something very small, just imagine when I hit the full play. So just like what POTR. And I told the team, I was like, look guys, if I have to get stopped out on this one, I definitely will. 1 second here. So you can see POTR. We had the empty space, we had the box that needed to be broken. We ended up breaking above this wall. And I will be honest, we didn't even touch that stop loss at all. We just kept going. So that's pretty much it. Obviously, yes, I did tell the members make sure that trade doesn't turn red though. So that's pretty much it. All right, so yeah, that was on coin. That's what I like there personally. Marvel to NIO. So for Neo, I will be honest, and my final play, and I'll be honest, I didn't end up getting into this one, but you can easily see, yes, we did have this clear move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above the top wall. We did tap into that first and also my final TP. But anyways, let's go. Let's just remove this as well. Actually, let me go to this higher time frame, because there is a little bit more empty space above us. Here, there's empty space. Also, but yeah, we got to get over that 528 area though. But what I can personally see here is this 4 hour. I did like this 4 hour, I believe. If it'll load, that'd be great. 1 second here. Four hour. Actually, that 2 hour also looks really decent. So I get it. Not like one of those 24-hour plays. But still, doesn't look too bad. As you can see here, we do have this empty space under us. Clear move up, no consolidation here. We end up breaking below this bottom wall. We have empty space down to that red candle there. Yo, Rookie, what's up? Is there any G1 you would recommend to start practicing on? Personally, I mean, you can't always, you know, paper trade and practice on, you know, those. But yeah, there are some, you know, cheap contracts. What, like NU. Well, we have a couple other ones as well. I can't even think of them off the top of my head. But yeah, I know there's a lot. What, SOFI, a couple of these trades are really cheap as well. So yeah, those are, you know, the ones that I could see that, you know, are really cheap. And sometimes those setups may have to wait, but yeah, that's pretty much it on that. Yo, Logic, what's up? Good to see you, my guy. Good to see you. All right, so that is on Neo. That looks really good. Marvel, we'll take a look here. We'll take a look at all these trades. AOK pretty much didn't do really anything. I can see both contracts are going to be pretty much flat. All right, so we'll keep going. Yo, Lee, what's up, man? My guy, Lee. All right, so BBAI. We did AMD. AMD actually looks good. Google actually looks pretty decent. 1 second here. 1 second. Hold on 1 second here. One second there. All right, all right. Oh, wait. 1 second there. Not that one. I meant to send Google. Hold on 1 second here. I do need to send something out. 1 second, 1 second. All right, cool. All right. So yeah, Google still looks really good. We'd love to see if we can possibly stay up. Looks really decent. All right, so now we'll keep on going. BBAI. Yo, Mario, what's up? What's up? BBAI too as well. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll go over all these trades. No worries at all. Just give me 1 second. I will be right back. Commercial break, of course, as you guys call it. But yes, I'll be right back here. If you want to join the Discord, you can join the free chat. You can also join the VIP chat as well. You can see pretty much everything that we do here. Either the plays work or I get stopped out. But yes, anyways, I'll be right back in like literally 30 seconds to a minute. So give me 1 second here. If you want to join the Discord, links in the bio. Just make sure to do your own research. 1 second. All right, so I am back. I am back. All right, so let's take a look. All right, so Google looking pretty good. BA, we gotta go over a couple other ones. I do want to take a look at some more trades here. Let's see where we're. I don't know why my internet's so slow today. Please load. All right, just give me a second. We'll go over pretty much everything. BA still above that wall. Still looks pretty decent if we can stay above. It doesn't look too bad there. Yeah, so it doesn't look too bad there. We would just need to stay above. All right, so that's on there. We'll take a look. Let's take a look at all these other trades. Lift. Did we skip that too? All right, yeah, no worries. There's a lot of tickers. So yes, I'm trying to get to everyone. So yeah, no worries at all. We'll go over all. Pretty much everything though. All right, so lift. Let's take a look. Let's go to this. Oh wow, that actually looks really good. What I like here is this. Actually doesn't, yeah, it doesn't look too bad actually. Top wall there. Decent bottom wall here. And yes, right under us. You can easily see. Actually, yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Yeah, we do have empty space down here on this weekly chart. Maybe I'll set my alert. Just maybe. Oh no. Alright, that's fine there. Oh, we do have empty space down to this what? So this 1130 area. That looks really good. You can, yes, easily see. From the entry to exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, right now, am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. I'm just going to wait, see if we can end up. And yeah, this is on a 1 week chart. So yes, you guys can see we start at the higher time frames and then we work on the lower time frame. So yeah, right now we are still in consolidation. There's just nothing that I would want to do here yet except for wait. If we can get that nice breakout, we do have that empty space to the downside. But no, not saying anyone to get into any of these trades. So yes, please do your own research before doing anything. Yo, Potter, what's up? Good to see you. So TXN and also IBM, ALB, ARK. Okay, cool. No worries. All right, so we did Neo, right? We did that. Did we do BBAI? I'm not sure if we did. So yeah, we'll go over all these trades. ARK, we'll take a look there. Also ALB, okay, cool. Yeah, we'll take a look at all these trades. All right, so as of right now, let's see here in Meta. All right, yeah, so Meta, I think we had, if I'm not mistaken, I'm still waiting on the trade here. Okay, I'm not mistaken. I am still waiting on this trade. So, okay, I think I did this on a 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken. 1 second here. Hold on, right here. So yeah, I think yeah. So yeah, 1 hour chart. You can easily see we do have this. So you can see yes, clear move down, no consolidation. We do have what a beautiful top wall that needs to be broken. What body candle, another body candle here, and so yeah, well, I had this one yesterday. We didn't end up actually getting this one yesterday. We're very close to this top wall. So yeah, I would love a nice. Maybe I'll set an alert here. It's cool. A nice break above the top wall. We do have empty space up to that, what, 725 area. So right now, yes, we are still in this consolidation, this Potter box, so there's just nothing that I'm going to do except for just to wait on that. So yeah, it looks really good. All right, so that was on what, Meta. ARK? Okay. Let me see. ARK. I will be honest. So if it's a trade like this, I really don't like taking trades like this just because, you know, these candles are pretty wicky, especially even on the high, not the highest, but a really high time frame on this monthly chart here. So I personally would just skip out on this just because the way these candles look. Hold on 1 second here. Looking at some more trades here. Okay. We ended up still at that dump there. Okay. Coinbase. So I think we did Coin2 as well. BBAI, we did. Did we do this as well? I'm pretty sure that we did. And yeah, personally for me, I'm looking for some day trades. Gonna have maybe 1 or 2 day trades that I can see, and then I'm gonna end it off with the swings as well. All right, so BBAI, let's take a look here. Honestly, I do want to go to a lower time frame to try to break this one down. Let's take a look. So let's go. Honestly, I do want to go to this 1 hour, see what we could do here. Okay. So there's this empty space here. Actually, pretty clean move. Top wall, bottom wall there. As you can see, yes, we do have empty space above us if we can break above this top wall up until this green candle here. So yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is exactly what I want, actually. So I get it, small move, nothing crazy, but yeah, that is still that empty space that I'm seeing. All right, so Diz, we'll take a look here. Honestly, where's the Qs at really quickly? Oh, the Qs may. You could potentially give an entry in that, so we'll have to see as well. All right, so we'll take a look here. So yeah, the keys actually doesn't look too bad. TXM, HIMS, Disney. Okay. All right, cool. So yeah, let's go to this higher time frame and work our way down. And yes, all of our trades inside our Discord are going to be exactly the same. We don't change literally anything at all. Obviously, if this would load, that'd be great. I think it's just this tab. Hold on 1 second. All right, cool. Yeah, G, no worries, man. If you have any other questions, just let me know. You can honestly just join the free chat too as well. I'll always ask questions there. Everyone there is pretty cool. All right, so for Disney, so on that 24, so yeah, we would have to break this down. Let's see here. All right, so on that weekly chart, so I do see, yes, we do have empty space above us. And what I can clearly see is this. One second here, guys. All right. My bad, guys. So I do like that. I do like that weekly chart. So we still have empty space above us where we could end up tapping into. Do want to see this weekly chart here. 1 second there. If we end up going up to this weekly, I can see that, 129. We'd love to see if we can get a little break above that top wall. So yeah, I would love to see if we can break above that, 124.44 area. And as you can see from the entry to exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. So yeah, right now we're still in that box. We're just gonna wait. So yeah, the live pause. Okay, cool. Hopefully it doesn't pause anymore. All right, so yeah, that is on Diz. That looks really good. Maybe on the 4 hour, we could have a small time frame trade. Let's see here. But yeah, I do like that weekly chart though. Yeah, I'll just definitely take that on that weekly if we could. All right, so ABGO. I'm not sure if we ended up doing this one. Let's see. Also, I do need to pull up Google. I need to pull up a couple other ones as well. I want to see where we're pretty much at here. So yeah, we're still at that 97 area. I do want to see if we can get that final TP though. We'll see. pretty much down a little bit on that. Okay. All right. So now let's keep going here. Live is still not working. Is it still paused? Really? Hold on one second. I might have to. Why is everything paused? Hold on one second here. Hello, am I here? I think I'm here again. Hopefully I am. So, was Disney all skipped? Let me know. Hopefully I'm back now. Okay, cool. We're back. All right, cool. Thanks, Robin. Thanks, Myra. Really appreciate it. All right, so yeah, I think we skipped Disney, or it was skipped, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I will be doing another live anyways. But yeah, I think so I did this on a weekly chart here. I don't know. I think I'll have to restart my internet here because I don't know why it's giving me some trouble here. But yeah, as you can see, yes, we do have this clear move down, no consolidation. So yeah, I do like this one. Even, that 1 month chart looks absolutely amazing. So do want to see if we can possibly break above our top wall. You can easily see, yes, that 124.44 area looks good. So, it doesn't look bad. Do want to see if we can end up getting that. Even on that 1 month chart, we could potentially go up to that 142. So that's just what I'm seeing there. That doesn't look terrible though. All right, so HIMS. Let's see here. Yo, Vincent, what's up? Yeah, I got you, my guy. Good to see you, my guy. Let's go to this 24 hour, if I'm not mistaken. So, okay, it looks like for HIMS we did end up going up into that final or that first TP, and as you can see here, yes, we ended up touching that first TP and ended up rejecting under. So if we reject here, we could potentially drop. But yeah, if we end up going above that 64.17, looks really good. Thanks for, no worries. Thanks for the roses. Really appreciate it. All right, yeah, so that was on what? HIMS. Definitely, we could end up going to that downside. So would have to be very, very careful on that. As you can see, yes, we do have still a little bit of empty space under us too. So yes, nice top wall here, decent bottom wall there. We can somehow break under this. We have empty space down to that 49.99 area. So yeah, that looks good. It looks decent. Do want to see if we can possibly somehow, some way get that entry there. So yes, you can see what's from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move, we have exactly what we want. Actually, doesn't look too bad though. So yes, hold on one second here. First TP was already hit on that higher time frame. Do want to see if that final TP can be hit too as well. All right, yeah, TXN. We'll take a look there as well. Yo, what's up? Good to see you. All right, so for TXN, we got it already. Top wall, bottom wall here. We somehow can break above our top wall there. We have empty space up to this green candle here. It looks good. I'll actually have to do a little bit more research, look at the contracts and things of that sort. But yeah, we do have that empty space above us. So if we can somehow, some way do that, it looks really good. So yeah, I'm using TradingView for all of my analysis. And broker, I do have you can use pretty much anything. Webull, Robinhood, TradeStation, things of that sort as well. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I do have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. So yes, if you want to join the VIP Discord, you can join. You can join the free chat. You can join the VIP chat as well. We'll be posting setups as well. A lot of my mods ended up posting setups too as well. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning back into the live stream. If you guys and gals want to join the Discord, join the free chat. If you don't want to join, no worries at all. Thank you all so much. I will be doing a live stream in 2 hours as well.